Yeah, Friday, 9th of January, late afternoon. Just started raining a little bit. It was supposed to rain all day today. It just now started. Supposed to rain yesterday. I got sprinkled on twice driving around town, so technically it did rain. And, I was coming outside to feed the outside kitties, and Lily, the orange, is a stray we adopted. She was born in the garage, and she came running through the door. Problem is, she's a twin to Lulu the orange. I think that's Lulu. That's Ming Ming the mama. But the one I thought was Lily and took back to the house is pretty much meowing at the door. So that might be Lily. I'm not real sure. I'm thinking it is. So anyway, let me pick him up, take him inside. Because Lily is acting like it's a stranger. Or Ming Ming is. So let me take him inside and figure out what we got here. That's all for this one. Thank you.